In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to print an email in Yahoo Mail step by step. Whether you need a physical copy for records, work, or just personal use, this quick tutorial will help you do it in under a minute. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a small setting that can make a big difference in how your email prints. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Yahoo Mail. You can do this by typing Yahoo Mail into Google or heading directly to mail.yahoo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After logging in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails listed. Now, find the email that you want to print. This could be anything like a receipt, an important message, or a document sent via email. Click on that email to open it fully so you can view its contents. Once the email is open, look toward the top right corner of the email window. You'll see a 3 dots icon, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on the option that says Print. As soon as you click Print, Yahoo Mail will open a print preview window. This is where you can see exactly how your email will look on paper. Take a moment to review it. If everything looks good, you can move on to selecting your printer. In the print window, choose your preferred printer from the list of available devices. You can also adjust settings like the number of copies, layout, or whether you want it in color or black and white. Once you've configured your settings, click the print button to start printing your email. And that's it. Your email will now be sent to your printer and printed out just the way you selected. One quick tip before we wrap up. If your email includes images or long text, you may want to check the preview carefully to make sure nothing gets cut off. Adjusting margins or layout settings can help fix that. So that's how you print an email in Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.